If you like the country, then this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on 1½ acres is for you. This is a great place to raise a family, and it's only 6 miles northeast of St. John's. The 2½ detached garage has its own separate workshop for the handyman, and it's completely insulated. Come, sit on the back deck and enjoy the large manicured lawn. The roomy den has French privacy doors and great built-ins with shelves and cupboards. Notice the very open floor plan. The living room has great new carpet, a cathedral ceiling, and great built-ins. You will enjoy the beautiful built-in cabinets in the dining room and a slider to the rear deck. The kitchen features lots of cupboards, a sit-up bar, and includes the refrigerator, range, and dishwasher. The large private master suite offers a walk-in closet and a master bath with a newer, easy-access shower. This home features a newer water heater, furnace with air conditioner, the washer and dryer are included, and a water softener. The 2 additional sunny bedrooms with large closets are on the opposite end of the home. This home comes complete with its own generator and hookup to service the whole house. Most of the furniture and contents are negotiable. Call today for your private showing. Notice the cathedral ceilings throughout the home.